Building wealth takes time and patience. It is not about getting rich quickly, but making smart choices consistently. Here are important principles to follow if you want to grow your money step by step. 1. Start early and be consistent. The earlier you start saving and investing, the better. Even small amounts add up over time because of something called compound interest. This means your money earns interest and then you earn interest on the interest. Try to save regularly, even if it is a small amount every month. Spend less than you earn. This is one of the most important rules. If you spend all your money, you cannot save or invest. Track your income and expenses. Cut unnecessary spending and focus on needs, not wants. Living below your means helps you save more money for the future. Create multiple sources of income. Relying on only one income source can be risky. Try to create more than one way to earn money. This could be a side job, a small business, or passive income like investments or rental properties. Multiple income streams help you grow wealth faster and reduce financial risk. Invest wisely. Keeping money in a savings account is safe but may not grow enough to beat inflation. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Investing involves risk, but spreading your money in different places can reduce risk and increase chances of growth. Keep learning about money. Financial knowledge is powerful. Read books, watch videos, or take courses about saving, investing, and money management. The more you understand, the better decisions you can make with your money. Be patient and avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Building wealth takes time. Avoid schemes or offers that promise fast money with little effort. These are often risky and can cause you to lose money. Stay focused on long-term goals and keep following good financial habits. Protect your wealth. Once you start building wealth, protect it. Have insurance for health, property, and life to avoid big unexpected expenses. Also, plan for taxes and legal matters so your wealth stays safe for you and your family. Summary: start saving early, spend less than you earn, create multiple income streams, invest wisely, keep learning, be patient, and protect your money. Follow these principles and over time you can build real wealth. Remember, wealth is not just about money but having financial freedom and security. Stay consistent and focused on your goals.